Genre awareness. What does that mean? The word genre is probably familiar to you. Whenever you scroll through Netflix to look for something to watch, you can see how the home screen is divided into genres, right? Comedy, drama, horror, children's movies, etc. You make a decision about which genre to watch based on your intentions for watching in the first place, right? Like if you're in a light mood and you're feeling like you want to laugh, you're going to go for something in the comedy genre. If you're into something deeper, you might choose drama. The genre you select helps guide the genre in general helps guide your choice based on the expectations of an outcome. The same is true for writing. Writers decide what genre they're going to write in based on what their purposes are for writing. A medical scholar writes an article for a science journal because he wants to share information with other academics and scholars in his field who will likely see that article because of where it's published and the style that it's published in. A journalist travels to the Sudan to take photographs so that she can publish a feature article in a mass publication that will tell a visual story to a more general audience of magazine readers. A 20-something uploads a YouTube video of themselves singing a funny or controversial song in response to a political issue, hoping the video will go viral on Facebook and they'll spread their message that way. This week, you'll choose your topic for your final project, the genre translation. A few readings under the content section in this module will inform you of why genre matters and why we're bothering with it in this course. The fact is, it's a big part of what we're doing, both as writers and as thinkers. It's the vehicle, really, by which our thoughts are delivered, or not delivered, if we choose poorly. We'll go a bit lighter this week with content and assessments since it's a holiday coming up, but that said, it's in your best interest to accomplish what you need to accomplish as soon as you can. The sooner I receive your topic idea for the genre translation, the sooner you can get started working on it. Depending on what you choose to do, you might need the extra time. Please note that I do encourage you to get creative with this project. I find that when students use a medium they're comfortable with or naturally inclined towards, the end result is much better than if they just choose a genre by default. So let me know if you need help with this. I would suggest perusing the internet first or the eTown library database to look for articles or essays with content that interests you. If you're interested in the ideas that are being shared in the original text, then you're also more likely to create a compelling translation of those ideas. Under the content section, I will post a list of possible genres to translate your original text into, just in case you need a few ideas to work from. But of course, you're welcome to choose your own if that's not listed. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys. Talk soon.